let me show you how we can go to the download mode and how we can exit it on Samsung Galaxy S26. So what you need to do is, first of all, we need to shut down our phone, and also you need to prepare the USB cable and a laptop or a computer. You will have to connect your phone to a computer in a second. So we're gonna use the USB cable for that. So first we're gonna shut down the phone. I'm gonna use the power button and volume down button at the same time. We need to press and hold both of these buttons for a couple of seconds to open the power menu, and then we're gonna power it off, just like that. We're gonna prepare the USB cable now, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect the phone to your computer with the USB cable. You want to plug the cable in, and once you do that, immediately after that, you want to press and hold both of these volume buttons. You want to press and hold both of them. So I'm gonna plug it in and then press and hold both volume buttons. And there we go. As you can see now, we are here in the download mode. This is how it looks like right now. And of course, if you have like some software or something, I assume you should be able to use the download mode from now on your phone. Now, on the other hand, if you want to exit the power mode, we actually have the instruction here on the screen. You just have to press and hold the volume down button and the power button. So I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons at once, and just keep holding for 7 seconds, or well, actually until the screen shuts down. There we go. And now the phone should reboot and we should go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.